In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Grindr account without a phone number. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up Grindr, and here you want to click on the sign up button at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, there's gonna be like a few notifications when you first click on the sign up button on Grindr. So there's like cookies and privacy that you must read first. They also will be notifying you that you should be at least 18 years old or above to use a Grindr. So just enter your birthday here. That's the first thing that they're going to ask you. It's gonna be they just want to make sure that you're of legal age before you're going to use Grindr. So here, just enter the month and the day and the year. Just click on next. And from here, they'll be asking for your email, your password, and the confirmation for your password. So just enter your email here. So once you've entered the details here, you could just click on the create account button at the center of your screen. But there's actually an easy way for you to create your account. You could just hit on either Facebook or Google to create your account. But since we're gonna do this the manual way, we could just hit on the create button here. So from here, you just want to verify that you are not a robot. So here, just make sure that you're choosing correctly on the details that they are requesting for you, and just click on verify. As you can see right now, it's actually asking me to verify my account by asking my phone number for the creation process for Grindr. So what you want to do here is you want to open up any browser and just go to mobilesms.io. You could create an account for this website, and here you could actually see that I'm going to select the country that I want to get the mobile number. So for example, I'm just gonna use United States, and you could just search the service here. Like for example, I'm just gonna enter Grinder, and you want to get the SMS number that you want to use. So as you can see, there's actually a price for per SMS. That's $4.50. So you could recharge or top up for this to get your number for Grindr. But yeah, so if you don't want to actually go through the mobile SMS IO dot route, you could just actually buy a new SIM and just use it for the creation process for Grindr. But because this is actually required, oh, so yeah, but I'm just showing you alternative in case you don't want to use an actual number to identify yourself. But it's best to yeah use a actual SIM card or phone number for the registration process. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.